How to remove the deck on a Husqvarna lawn mower. A lawn mower deck, made of metal or plastic, covers the blade and keeps flying grass clippings and debris from hitting you as you mow. When it's time to rebuild or repair your Husqvarna mower, you'll need to properly remove the deck so that you don't damage it. Husqvarna makes 3 types of mowers: zero-turn riding mowers, lawn tractors and push mowers. Things you will need: 4 even-sized blocks of wood, pliers, wrench set. Remove zero-turn mower decks and lawn tractor decks. Position a block under each corner of the Husqvarna mower deck. Set the deck height lever to the lowest setting to release the tension in the springs that hold the deck up. Pull out the top loop of the double loop retainer springs that are hooked between the front bracket on the deck and the front suspension brackets on the underside of the Husqvarna frame. Use the pliers to unhook the springs if you can't by hand. Unhook the springs holding the 2 suspension arms in the center of the deck to the base of the mower frame. Slip the belt off of the electric clutch pulley referred to your owner's manual. Unhook the spring holding the anti-sway bar bracket on the back of the deck to the underside of the frame. Slide the deck out from under the Husqvarna frame. Remove push mower deck. Unscrew the bolt holding each side of the mower handlebars to the back side of the deck. Unscrew the 2 bolts holding on the handlebars and remove the handlebars. Unscrew the 3 bolts holding the wheel adjustment bracket to the side of the Husqvarna lawn mower deck. The bracket is behind each of the 4 wheels on the deck. Remove the wheels/wheel brackets. Tip the push mower on its side. Wedge a block of wood between the blade and the side of the deck so the blade will turn. Unscrew the center bolt holding the blade onto the crankshaft under the Husqvarna mower engine. Make sure to grab the washer on the bolt when you pull the blade off. Tip the mower back flat on the ground. Unscrew the 6 bolts holding the base of the engine to the mower deck. The bolts will poke through the engine base and through the deck and have a nut tightened on them under the deck. Pull the engine off the mower deck.